Hello everyone, this is Albert J. Villamor and welcome to Zoology Hub. In this video, we're going to dissect a blue crab, and before that, as usual, we're going to present the safety precautions and what to do before and after the dissection. So, heads up. So, before the dissection, you must wear a surgical mask, surgical gloves, and lab gown.
A few minutes later.
So at this moment, we're going to examine the general characteristics of the blue crab, and also I'm going to show you how the muscles move just to move these pinchers out. So let's start. So starting with the carapace, which is the part here is the carapace, and this is the chitinous exoskeleton part of the crab, whereas basically it protects the internal organ. And the crab is a gonochoristic species, which means that it can be either male or female. So how can we identify if this crab is a male or female? So we have here a male crab. Female is not available in the store, so we have only male crab as our sperm specimen. So if we say male crab, the apron of the crab is pointed or narrow, while the female crab is like a rounded apron. So this crab has 5 pairs of appendages. So the part here, this one is the talipid, and the part here, which is the 3 pairs of walking legs, and here is the swimming legs, which is more like a paddle to help the crab swim. So in this part, we can identify the merus, which is this one, the carpus, the part here, and the propodus, this one, and the dactyl. So now we're going to show you the ventral side of, or the ventral parts of the crab. So the part here, which is this one, is the thoracic sternix and composed of the apron, this one, which is pointed and narrow, and it tells us the gender or the sex of the crab. So the part of the apron is this one, this pointed one is the thousand, and the part here is the abdomen. So we can show you that this part please be careful in using sharp objects. So the part here, this part is the abdominal cavity, and the long part here, which is the first gonopod, and the small one, this is the second gonopod, and the part here is the gut, and the last part of the apron is the anus. Now we're going to examine the mouth. So as you can see, this is the mouth, and the part here is the pulp. We also have a compound eye and the eye stalk, and They also have antennules right before the mouth and the antennae. So now we're going to talk about the internal organ or the internal part of the blue crab. So let's just remove this carapace. I already cut it first before this video starts so that we can save more time. So let's start with this part here. This is the midgut. The part here is the flank, and this one is the gills, which is used to breathe the crab. And the part here is the heart, and the whitish part here is the gonad. The part here is the brain, and here is the stomach, and this part here is the gastric muscles. And below of these gastric muscles we can see the abductor tendons. So the last part of this video is I'm going to show you how the muscles move with regards to the pincers. This one, pincers. So I already dissected it. I just cut the part of the chalpid. So the muscles here inside of this is the responsible for the move of the pincers. So if I'm going to close this one, to push this one, it moves, and then we close this one, so it close, move, close, move, close, move, close. This one, so just like that. So after the operation, make sure to wash your hands with clean soap and water and dispose properly your specimen. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned so much things about my video, and till the next video dissection. Bye-bye. Bye.